Welcome to our channel. If you have a Green Dot virtual card and need to activate it by phone, follow this quick guide to get your card ready for online and mobile purchases. Step 1. Locate the Green Dot customer service phone number provided in your virtual card, welcome materials, or on the Green Dot website. This number is typically available 24/7 for card activation. Step 2. Have your virtual card information ready before calling, including your card number, expiration date, CVV security code, and personal identification information, such as your social security number. Step 3. Call the Green Dot activation hotline using your mobile or landline phone. Be prepared to navigate through an automated menu system to reach the card activation option. Step 4. When prompted by the automated system, select the option for card activation. This is usually indicated by pressing a specific number on your phone's keypad, such as 1 for activation. Step 5. Enter your 16-digit Green Dot virtual card number when requested by the system. Input each digit carefully using your phone's number pad to ensure accuracy. Step 6. Provide additional verification information as requested, such as your date of birth, billing zip code, or the last 4 digits of your social security number. This confirms your identity as the cardholder. Step 7. Follow any remaining prompts from the automated system to complete the activation. You may be asked to set up a PIN or verify your mailing address. Step 8. Listen for the confirmation message indicating your Green Dot virtual card has been successfully activated. Make note of any important information provided, such as your customer service reference number. Your card is now ready to use for online shopping and digital transactions. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel.